Hi, this is Aurangzeb Alam and you are watching Make Coding Easy YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to discuss about multiple assignment in Python. As we know, in Python we use is equal to assign values to a variable. So we to assign values to a variable, we have some cases. We can assign values to multiple variable on one line. We have two different cases to assign multiple values on the same values to multiple variable. So to check this, to see and to practice, first we will open the Python prompt or Python shell. This is the Python shell. I just open this, and here I will first show that how we are assigning any values. Here I am giving a is equal to 10. Print a. We are getting the result 10, means in this way we can assign the values 10 to variable a. But we have some other conditions also by which we can do multiple assignment in Python. Like we have just give a comment, and in comment I am writing ab comma bc is equal to 100 comma 200. Print ab. What result we are getting? 100. Print bc. What we are getting? 200. This is the first case, and we can discuss about the second case also. Give a comment if there is one variable and multiple values separated by comma, then it is assigned as tuple. Here I am not going to discuss about tuple, because in our later videos I will discuss about tuple, but just to show the cases I have written this, and I'm going to show you like I have a is equal to 10 comma 20, so it is a tuple, and we can print like this. Print a. It is giving a tuple. So how we can check that it is a tuple? So we can print like this. Print type a. See, the class of this is showing it is a tuple. We have other method, other case also, that is assign a same value to multiple variables. There are different variables but the values are same. Like a is equal to b is equal to 10. Print a. Print b. If the variables are less or more than the values, then it will give error. say this is giving error, or a b is equal to 10 100 1000. Again this is giving error. So in this way we can assign multiple value or the same value to multiple variables. Hope you understand and like my video, and please do subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.